Welcome to Tabletop Creator Academy. In this episode, we'll go from the start screen to a new project that's ready to work with. We'll quickly check the basic settings, create a project, look at the main sections, and see how to save and close it properly. Let's start from the beginning, the start screen. This is the first place you'll see when opening Tabletop Creator. From here, you can create a new project, open an existing one, use our already created templates, or access the main options before you start working. Before creating a project, I like to quickly check the basic settings. In the Settings panel, you'll find different sections like Account, General, Performance, AI, and Shortcuts. For this first setup, we'll focus on the General section. Here you can adjust things like the UI language, the UI theme, the UI scaling, the measurement units, and enabling items amount inputs. I'll keep it simple for now and use the options I need to start working comfortably. You can also check the Shortcuts section if you want to see the main keyboard shortcuts, like saving the project or switching between screens. Now we can create a new project. A project is where your game will live inside Tabletop Creator. I'll create a new one and give it a simple name so it's easy to identify later. Once the project opens, we can take a quick look at the main section. You don't need to understand every section right away. For now, the important thing is to know where the main sections are and how to move around the project. Tabletop Creator is organized into sections. The first one you're looking at is the Components section. This is where all your game pieces live: cards, tokens, the board. On the top left, you have three more sections: Blueprint, where you define the visual structure of your items; Variables, where you manage your project's placeholders; and Export, where you'll get your game ready to export when it's done. On the top right, there are three more menus: Notes, a free space to jot down ideas as you work; Data Import, to bring in or send out your game's data; and Localization. If you want your game available in multiple languages, this is where you set that up. Before closing the app, it's important to make sure the project is saved. Depending on how you're working, Tabletop Creator will help you keep your project updated, but it's always a good habit to check that your changes are saved before closing. Once everything is saved, you can safely close the project or exit the application. And that's the basic starting workflow. Open Tabletop Creator, check your settings, create a project, understand the main sections, and save your work. Now your first project is ready and you know where the main areas of the app are. From here, you can start building the actual components of your game.